you guys believe he's 3 months now? Guys, I was gonna do a 90s inspired bag haul. Sorry if you guys hear my son in the background. He's talking and babbling to himself. But yeah, I promise you guys I was gonna do a 90s inspired bag haul from Shein. So I don't really want to make this intro too long. Let's just get right into it. This bag I'm gonna show you guys is this bag right here, and this bag is super cute. Oh, by the way, everything will be down below in the description box as well if you do want to purchase any of these bags. This is the first bag right here, and it just has like this chain. This chain that goes across, and it has like multiple shapes on it, like the star, I believe is, yep, a star, a heart, and some circles. And then like the material of it is like rubbery, plasticky. It's super cute, like super cute. It's just one of those bags. No, super cute. These were like so in the 90s, or anything that resembles small bags like this. No, just super cute. Oh, this bag also actually comes with a strap, an extra strap to make it like a side bag, but I really don't see myself using that. I'm just gonna be using it, I'm just gonna be holding the bag normally, just like this. The second bag I'm gonna show you guys is this white bag right here, and this is actually the bag I've been using lately. Like, you can still see all my stuff is inside. This is my everyday bag at the moment, and it's just this croc embossed bag. And it actually, a lot of bags like this remind me of the 90s, so you're gonna just see a lot of the bags, like the little baguette bags. You guys just know this is what was in the 90s. So like this one right here, and it's just super cute. I love this bag already. Like, super simple. I got it in all white, but they actually have it in like multiple colors. I was actually thinking about getting the green one as well. So yeah, that probably might be my next few hauls as well. Okay, so this next bag right here, honestly, is super cute. Like, the minute I saw it, I just literally thought about 90s vibes. Like, it just gives me 90s vibes. Is this brown baguette bag. It has like this print on it, and then the handle is brown. First of all, this bag is everything. Like, one, I love this part, this gold detailing right here. It's the same, the white baguette bag also has that white detailing. Super cute. So yeah, this gold detailing, it just goes so well with the brown. And it's, let me see, this bag is kind of, yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the other one. And it actually has a lot of room inside. It still has like the paper and stuff inside, but the inside is just, guys, black. Doesn't have any extra pockets, but it's just super cute, super cute. And yeah, it's the second one. The next bag is actually the same as the last one. It's just a different shade. This one is black and gray instead of the brown and beige. Yeah, the handle is black. You can see I didn't even take off the plastic yet. I have not used these bags yet. And yeah, super cute. Like I said, it's the same bag, just different shades. This next bag right here, listen, I already used this and used it and used it. I literally have so many pictures of me in this bag already. Like, I'm probably gonna post them like everywhere. But this is the next bag. This was my, I used this as my everyday bag like as soon as I got it. So this bag right here is also another, like, I don't know if this is croc skin. Yeah, this is croc skin. First of all, this bag is everything. It's the cutest little bag ever. And you can actually just remove both of these as well. It came just like that, and then you just connect the handles. You can either use it like this, like as a, I don't know. No, that's not cute to me, but that's why I put on the handles. And yeah, it's the cutest accessory to add to any of your outfits. I love this bag. I love it. I have this bag right here. Like you guys can see all the shimmers on this bag. It's so pretty. This bag is literally like, it screams 90s for me. Like, you know, all the award shows and stuff, it just reminds me of what they would wear to the award shows back in the 90s, like the little glittery pouch. You know what I'm talking about? You guys know what I'm talking about. Like, the handles here can be removed too, so you can just use it as like a little wallet. Yeah, the handles can come off if you don't want to hold it with the handle, and then you can just hold it this way. And then yeah, this one is super cute, super cute. Screams 90s. Just, it screams 90s. Okay, so those are all the bags I actually found on Shein that really inspired me to actually do this video. I just saw it and I was like, these bags remind me of something they would wear in the 90s. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Helps me out a lot. And